Hi, I'm Mr. Danoz, and today we're making a random house call to make one person's life that much better. Come, follow me. Studies have shown 99.9% of Australian homes aren't fitted with a safe, working fire detection system. We at Danoz Direct are affected by this as we try to battle this epidemic. Tut tut tut, just as I suspected, an old, out-of-date model. Well, let's see how it holds up. Mom! Mom!
Oh, hello, Timmy. Mr. Danoz, what are you doing in my house?
I've got something to show you, little Timmy. Come this way.
Okay.
It's come to my attention, little Timmy, that you have a defective smoke detector. Take a look for yourself.
You're 100% right, Mr. Danoz.
Little Timmy, I'll let you in on a little secret. This is the Danoz Direct Smoke Sensor 2000.
Oh, wow.
Let's try this little puppy out. Little Timmy, this is the Danoz Direct Smoke Sensor 2000. Fully equipped with infrared technology, with 3 programmable tunes that you can choose yourself. And this is the best technology on the market today. If you order now with your credit card, you will receive Danoz Direct's very own fire extinguisher, completely free.
Wow.
This is a great deal. Come on, little Timmy. Test it out.
Mr. Danoz, it's on fire.
Mr. Danoz! Mr. Danoz! So order now to get your very own Smoke Sensor 2000. It's just as easy as calling the number at the bottom of your screen. Please, call now, it's well worth it, and you too can have peace of mind with this amazing technology. Call the bottom of your screen right now, the number that's just sitting there. Call it now. And me, Mr. Danoz, and the Danoz Direct team, we bid you farewell, signing off.